In this video I am showing you how to remove this fencing in Photoshop. At first, create a new layer. Then select brush tool. Now draw over the fencing area. Now hold Ctrl and click over the layer. Then click the eye button. Then select the photo layer. Now go edit, fill, then click continue, then press OK. Wait and see what happened. Now press Ctrl D. The fencing is removed. Now you can adjust the photo with spot healing tools. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.